Some people may experience discomfort or injury from picking up even the small objects off the floor. The golfer's lift is a technique that allows you to pick up items off the floor with minimal stress to the lumbar spine. Keeping your back straight, bend forward, placing a leg in the air behind you. If you are supporting yourself by placing your hand on an object such as a table for stability, the leg closest to that object will go in the air. Firmly grasp the object that you need to pick up. Look forward and drop the leg that is in the air, bringing you to a standing position. The key to the golfer's lift is the hinge at the hip, using the back leg to counterbalance the object being lifted. The hip hinge is essentially having all the flex and extension driven from the hip joint. The goal is to have the spine stay neutral throughout the entire movement.